Hey guys, it's Joanne here from Joanne Moxam Consulting, and today I wanted to bring you a quick video. And these videos, what I like to call these videos, are these free skills building videos. And I come up with these ideas because of the fact that I come across these issues when I'm working with a client or trying to figure out something and I can't figure it out right away. So I figured other people might have the same issue too. So let's get right into this video. Today, what we're working with is we're working with a data inside of an Excel file where the date, the actual year, is not being listed. So if you see here in this spreadsheet, we have a column in A, and there's no date at the end. There's no year at the end. And the reason for this is because I'm copying this information from a PDF that they gave me because we couldn't download actual CSV files of the banking account information. In the end, what I want to do is dump this into QuickBooks online. So there has to be a specific format to the dates, which has to have a month, a day, and a year. All right, so we're going to get into this video and I'm going to show you how I came up with an easy solution. And I have my website here that is currently live. It's joannemoxam.com. Well, if you're watching this post on the blog, then you already know what the website is. If you find it in some other place and you're just watching it in a browser, well, joannemoxam.com is the actual place you want to go to. The free skills library is actually my blog, and this is where I'm going to put all of my videos that are going to be free for you to watch that are going to help you build some different skills. And we have different topics here. We have the financial comprehension, social media, content creation, productivity, and technology. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on financial comprehension, and you'll see here on the left-hand side, that's where all the free skills videos are, or the free blog posts that you can read or watch. On the right side is going to be the premium skills for that particular topic. So keep on checking back and you'll see when I upload different premium skills that will be available. And there's also a place where you can book a free 1-hour session with me consulting on any of my topics or strategy sessions on any of my topics. Okay, so let's go back to the financial comprehension area. And for this video, we're going to click on the first one, which is how to add the year where the date in Excel doesn't have the year. And so when you scroll down on this blog post, you're going to see basically some information obviously written out. So you can actually read how to do this, or obviously you're watching the video, so you don't like to read, you want to just watch the video. And you're going to come down to where it says the quick fix, and you're going to see the formula here. You're going to highlight that formula, and then you're going to right click and you're going to copy it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move the website out of the way. We're going to go to the Excel file and we're going to do a right click paste in one of the columns here. Please note here that when I hit paste, you'll see that nothing actually shows up yet. And that's because sometimes in Excel, the font is clear. So we're going to go up and we're going to click the font to be black. And then you will see that the numbers show up in the cell. Now, once we have paste, you'll see that there's these 5 numbers that are kind of random, and these are actually numbers that Excel can convert to a date format. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to go just above on your top toolbar, and you're going to look for this area that lists all the different general formats. And then you're going to drop down and you're going to look for the format that has to do with dates, and we want to choose the short date format, and that's going to get you the month, day, year format that we need. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click your left mouse button and you're going to look for the actual crosshairs, and then we're going to drag it down. And when you do that, you'll see all the dates come up, and they actually match up with the dates that are over in the column A. Okay, so once we have that established, now we want to move it back. We want to copy these back into column A. And We don't want to just copy them and paste them, because what'll happen is this is a formula. It's actually a formula of the A1 is where I'm starting my data for this particular instance. And so what we want to do is we want to highlight all of these, and we're going to do a right click copy, and then we're going to come over and we're going to sit on A1 and we're going to do a right click and we're going to go to paste, and we want to look for special, and we want to go to paste values is what we're looking for. Your version of Excel might be a little bit different, but mine shows up down here, and you want to click on paste values. So once you click on that, you'll see there's a bunch of X's there. Well, that's because we just need to open up the column a little bit more, and there you will see all the dates are in that column. Now we can just highlight everything that's in this E column, and we can just delete them. And there you have it. Now, keep in mind that my formula that I'm giving you is assuming that your date area is starting at cell A1. So if your dates start in a different cell, column, and row, just make sure you find out what that is. Like this one is a different number. You want to highlight that A1 and you want to change it to the actual cell that your dates start in. But we can just highlight this, delete it, and we're all set. All we can do now is we can save this as a CSV file, and I can use this to upload their bank statement information into their QuickBooks Online software. So that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you learned something new today. If you did learn something new, please make sure you leave a comment below and let me know. If you have any further questions, again, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can always send me an email at joanne@joannemoxam.com, and I will be glad to address your question directly, or I may decide to do a video and upload it as another free skills building videos. You guys have an amazing rest of your day.